Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Visual Studio Code and focusing the app, no extra tools. First, press Ctrl+P to jump to a file, type any substring to narrow results. Once done, open the Explorer pane and set your workspace route so paths remain stable. Make sure to enable server or remote extensions if you work on remote files. These initial actions reduce friction and let you move instantly between files and folders without hunting through menus. You now refine movement. Use Ctrl+Tab to cycle recent editors, tap and release to land on the file you need. Next, split the editor with Ctrl+\/ to compare or edit side by side, drag tabs to rearrange. For code, press F12 to go to definition, or Alt+F12 to peek without leaving context. This keeps you in flow. Also use Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2 to focus specific editor groups. These steps let you navigate complex projects fast and with minimal context switch cost. You finish by using global search. Press Ctrl+Shift+F, enter terms and use file filters like *JS to limit results. Once productive, customize key bindings to match your habits and enable settings sync so shortcuts travel with you. If navigation feels wrong, reload the window or restart VS Code. If that fails, disable recent extensions and retest. One troubleshooting tip: clear the workspace cache or open a fresh window to isolate problems. This usually restores normal navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.